Hello, this is the Compton PESLonline.com Introduction to WordPress tutorial. When your website is initially set up, it will look something like this, just more or less a blank template. When you're ready to work on your website and you want to log into the back end, just go up here to the URL box where your domain name is, and after the .com, add a slash WP admin, and that should bring you to a login page. Your username is the prefix of your domain name. That's all of the stuff that comes before the .com. Your password will be assigned to you. However, if you don't want to wait for your assigned password, you can get one on your own by clicking on this Lost Your Password link down here. Also, if you ever do lose your password, you can always obtain a new one here and it will be emailed to you. Make sure you enter the CAPTCHA code here, which will help prevent spammers, and then log in. When you first log in, you may be given an option to select Easy or Advanced Editing Mode. I would suggest that you start with the Easy mode. You can always go to the Advanced mode when you become more comfortable with creating pages and editing pages. So the first thing we're going to focus on is creating a new page, and when you click on that, you will get a new page template. The title of your page will appear up here, and that is also what will show on your tab or button on the home page of your website. So you would enter that here and then copy and paste or type in any text into the body of the page here. When working on the body of your text, some of the more common functions that you might want to know about are new lines and new paragraphs. If you want a new paragraph, you just put your cursor at the beginning of the line that you want to make a new paragraph and click on your return or enter key on your keyboard. If you want it to be just a new line, hold down the Shift key and then click your enter or return key. You can use numbers or bullets very easily. For example, if you've entered some information, you can either number them by highlighting the text and then clicking on the numbers, or you can change that to bullets if you'd prefer. Under this kitchen sink logo here, you can hide or show more options for modifying your text. For example, if you want to change the alignment of a paragraph, you can indent it one way or the other, left or right indent, left justify, center, right justify. You can bold. If you don't like that, of course, you can unbold. Use the italics. Underline. In WordPress, you're not allowed to change the font style, but you can change the color. Make sure you update your work always to save all that hard work. And then you can view your page as it will look on your website. Let's go back to the dashboard and look at your completed page that you have completed, and go into My Pages And you want to then click on Quick Edit and do a couple of things. Since this is a brand new page, you want to give it a page order. And this is the order in which the page will show on your tabs or buttons on your website. And it's best to number the pages in groups, blocks of 100 or 1000. So this page, for example, is 100. The next page I create will be 200. Third page will be 300. And that's so that you can easily insert new pages in between without having to renumber all of your pages. And then make sure that you, if this is checked, if comments is allowed, make sure that you uncheck the comments box. And again, make sure you update your changes. So those are just a few tips on getting started with the most basic features of the WordPress to help you develop your website. When you're feeling confident in the easy mode of editing here, then you can always move on to the advanced mode, which you would exit out of easy mode here, and that would take you to the advanced mode, which gives you more options as far as editing is concerned. Okay, thank you very much and have fun.